Hi, welcome. Today I am going to share a look with you which is summer slash holiday slash picture perfect slash long lasting. Consider subscribing if you have not already and give this a big thumbs up. After skincare, first I used this primer that hydrates and smoothens out the pores and texture of my face. I really love this one. And also please check out my previous tutorial where I have talked about all the products in depth, whatever I'm going to use today. This is where I keep all the makeup. It looks tiny but it is mighty, and I think it is a MEHR travel size pouch. I never skip color correcting the discoloration of my face. This is by Allure. Also, before I start my makeup, I make sure to hydrate my lips so that at the end my lips don't look chapped or flaky when I apply lipstick. For foundation, I chose something which is long wearing and looks amazing in pictures. This foundation tends to set quite fast, so I work section by section and blend it with my damp blender. This is my go-to summer foundation. You might get bored by this, but I just do not seem to reach for any other concealer other than this Hourglass Vanish concealer. Not only it is full coverage, it looks flawless with any foundation. I applied it underneath my eyes and around my nose because I have some redness around there. Next, I used this new obsession of mine, which is the HudaBeauty's Tantour. I use the shade Light. I have talked about this in detail in my previous tutorial, so I won't get started again. I place it in usual areas where I want to create some shade underneath my cheekbones, jawline, temples. Mind you, contour your face according to your own face shape. Just do not follow what you see on others. Then I set my face with this Urban Decay spray, in which I have mixed in the all-nighter and de-slick. This is quite long lasting, I would say. Then to set my face, first I used this Hourglass veil powder, took it on a damp sponge, mushed it in my palm and set the T-zone area. This is like low-key baking, you know. I do this when I am in a rush and I want my makeup to stay all night. Then to blend this powder, I took my another holy grail favorite powder, which is by Fenty Beauty. This gives an airbrush look, seriously. I flippin' love this powder. And after this, to enhance the contour, I use this GLOWISH powder, which is another holy grail of mine recently. I love this for several reasons, especially because it makes my textured skin look flawless and it also adds beautiful subtle glow. Now for highlighter, I have used this Hourglass Vanish stick highlighter. Look how glowy it looks. I flippin' love this highlight. And for my blush, I used a mixture of shades from this Hourglass palette. These blushers add such beautiful punch of colors, as well some iridescent glow. And too much blush is a myth for me these days, as you can see here. And I doubled it as my transition shade on my eyes. This way the whole makeup look looks cohesive and it saves time too. This is a crucial step for this kind of look. I use this Hourglass powder to lightly dust around the areas where I low-key baked. Your skin will look like you're glowing from within. This is such finely milled powder, you can barely feel it on your face and it never looks cakey. For my brows, I use this Anastasia brow freeze, I think that's what it's called, to brush up my brows all the way up, and then I left it to set while I finished doing my eye makeup. And for my eye makeup, I wanted a glistening, mesmerizing eyes which will shine like diamonds when the setting golden hour sun would hit. So I used the STILA liquid glitter eyeshadow and pat it down with my fingers. Then I filled in my brows with the Dior brow styler. I was glued to my mirror, so I am showing the end results here. And for my lower lash line, I used this by Terry pencil, simply scrabbled it underneath my eyes and blended in with my fingers. It is as simple as it could get. To finish off the eyes, I curled and applied 2 coats of mascara. For my lips, I lined them first, and then the struggle for perfect shade started. I have mixed 3 different shades in here to get the perfect one, rather the desired one. Mix in your lipstick, girls. You never know what you might end up with. And remember to blot your lips in between. That way you make it like bulletproof and smudge proof and long lasting. For whatever reason, I believe because of the heat, my face, my hands, my feet, they all swelled up really bad. So I kept on drinking the isotonic water throughout the day, which helped me a lot. Quick sip of hydration. Lastly, to set the deal, I sprayed the MORPHE spray first, and then around the T-zone, I used the Benefit POREfessional spray. The end result, my face stayed 100% intact till the end of the day without any touch-ups. That is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed spending time with me today. Stay blessed, beautiful, and safe, and do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time.